Hello everybody, Princess the Bear here, and it's finally time for our giveaway! So, last video, we guys talked about thanking you for getting us to 500 subscribers.
It wasn't our last video, but it was a recent video.
Recent-ish. But, the turnout was great. A lot of comments from you guys, a lot of involvement.
It was awesome.
Trying to learn what our demographic was, the kind of people that watch and comment. Obviously now there's over 500 of you subscribe, and again, thank you for that. But we want to know who's commenting our videos. What do they like? The vegan version, non-vegan version? Come to find out, it's split almost like right down the middle.
I thought it was going to be like all bear, but
I'm not that funny.
no, I'm surprised there's so many awesome vegans out there.
A lot, and actually a little, especially what we've been getting lately, a lot of mix of
Omnis,
people just
yeah.
like us. So a vegan and an omni, and trying to find a place that we can all eat and be happy. So we're here to announce our winner, our 5 winners from all of you guys. And let's go. Am I picking the first name, or are you picking the first name? You pick the first one. Princess is first, always. Judge me. So judgy.
Lauren's Travels.
Do a little spin, little teacup spin. Yeah? No? Sad reference. Living Lambeau.
Woo!
So we have winner number 2.
A Mom to My 3 Kids 72.
Mom to My 3 Kids 72. You are a 3rd winner. We have 2 more. Cynthia.
Woo!
You're winner number 4. And for our last winner, number 5.
Randy Stevens.
Randy Stevens, you are our last winner. Thank you guys again for all entering. You will receive a button, a poster, a Pandora map, a Captain Marvel poster, and an Adventures Endgame poster.
Or maybe a Mickey button.
Maybe a Mickey button. Your comments have been absolutely hilarious. Going
Yes.
back and forth.
Loving it.
Not just on our giveaway video, but on our Instagram and Twitter. We're getting a lot more engagement from everybody lately.
Facebook too.
Facebook too. Lots of suggestions for you guys, so we have a lot of interesting videos coming up. Most of those from suggestions from places that you guys want us to go.
It's true.
Which we're always happy to do.
I actually enjoy reviewing things that you guys pick more than I enjoy reviewing places that we pick.
Except desserts. Bear does not like desserts. Unless you get that person. I don't like desserts. My dessert is my main course. Who leaves room after that? Like, what are you people exactly? But anyway, for the tube, I will try the desserts. I might hate you for it, but I'm definitely going to try them. This video actually falls really weird for us because we didn't really plan this, thinking about it ahead of time, but this falls on our channel anniversary. So 13 months now we've had our channel.
Yep.
It's been an interesting year. We've learned a lot.
We
We're
have.
still learning a lot. And we're having fun with this, and we're going to keep it up. There are a lot of interesting things planned. We had posted a Q&A video recently from questions from you guys.
Yes.
Answered a lot of your questions.
We got a few questions back also once that video posted, so maybe when we do our next Q&A video, you'll see your question there.
Yeah, we got a lot of feedback, and again, because you guys asked, we're going to be looking at getting universal passes, start doing vegan, non-vegan universal things sometime this year. It probably won't be until after Halloween Horror Nights.
Yeah, I think it's best to wait. Especially because Disney has so many awesome plant-based options that's just coming up. That it's really hard to just kind of leave Disney and go to Universal.
Yeah, we
At
already
least
have
for
a
me.
whole lot of things planned.
At
We
Disney.
basically have plans right now all the way up through like mid-November.
With Galaxy's Edge and whatnot. Yes, through mid-November, you're right.
Yeah.
And then they just announced the Rise of Resistance stuff for December, so that's also a little bit of a challenge, because of course we're going to want to go do that.
We got Galaxy's Edge, Food and Wine,
Yep.
Mulan.
Yes.
So lots of things, more movie reviews, lots more things coming up.
Yes.
We're thinking next giveaway, 1K?
1K.
1K. I don't know how long it's going to take us to get there. Hopefully with your help it won't take that long. But next giveaway, definitely at 1,000. Thank you guys for everything. Like, we honestly did not think we were going to get to this point.
No, we didn't.
Because, I mean, who would really care about a vegan and a non-vegan trying food and judging each other immensely for it? But apparently, you guys like that.
This channel started as a challenge for us to see what vegan options were available, since I went vegan when I was previously vegetarian, and I thought, oh well, us going to Disney, that's dead because I'm not going to be able to eat anything. So
clearly she was wrong.
Yes,
Thankfully she was wrong.
And you guys have helped us in a lot of ways, trying to find new places that we wouldn't have even thought to try because we would have never guessed it was vegan. So thank you.
This is a big thank you to all of you, and there's more to come, and we will see you soon.
Be sure to subscribe.
You heard the girl.